Kia ora tātou, my name is Darren and today we're going to build a wooden DOC 200 trap box. The DOC 200 is a powerful trap for catching stoats, but it can also catch rats and hedgehogs. It's surrounded by a wooden box, which we'll build today, and that keeps people and non-target animals like pets and birds safe. The design of the entrance and the baffle also guides the targeted species towards the trap to ensure it is killed quickly and humanely. Today we're building a standard DOC 200 single set trap box. If you're working in an area with kea or kea are nearby, you will need to ensure that your trap boxes are safe. This means using stainless steel grills and baffles instead of mesh, also stainless steel brackets and hex head screws to secure the lid like this one. If you're in an area where there are weka, you will need to build a longer trap box to ensure there is more distance between the entrance and the baffle. Wooden boxes are used for all DOC series traps, such as the DOC 150 and DOC 250, or the BT 200. And the sizes vary depending on which trap you use, and if single or double set. So check to ensure that you have the correct measurements. You can get pre-cut kits for the trap boxes, or you can cut the wood and mesh yourselves. You'll need some ground treated timber for the four sides, some nails, 75mm galv flatheads, some galv 20mm mesh for both ends, and an additional piece of mesh for the baffle inside. Tools you'll need are a drill and a hammer. We'll start off by assembling the box. You'll need 4 pieces of treated timber, the heavy one for the base, the 2 pieces with the grooves are for the sides, and the last one for the lid. First thing is you've selected your base. We build a pedestal for your lure with 3 nails. Be sure to have your pedestal opposite the end of the trap box where the grooves are. Bring up the 2 grooved side walls of the trap box. Place the base upon the sides, lining up one very carefully. Pre-drill the holes on the side that you've lined up. We use 6 nails in the base, 3 each side. Pre-drill the other side. Tip the box on its side and fix the spaces. Spin the box around and do the other spacer. The reason we place the spaces in this configuration is so there's more space within the trap box to service the trap when you're rebaiting. Now we'll attach the mesh ends. Make sure the entrance is on the end where the grooves are. Switching to the blind end. There's the blind end mesh, no hole in it. Make sure that the entrance is smooth. Both end meshes on. Now we'll slide in the baffle. Next we put the trap in and secure it with 2 screws. It's really important to leave a gap of at least 5mm around the trap inside the trap box. This is to ensure that the trigger hanger clears the back of the trap when the trap fires, and the timber can shrink and warp over time. Now we place the lid upon the trap box. Really important to have the pivot of the lid opposite the baffle end. Pre-drill a hole and hammer in 1 nail. And the screw for the end that you'll open and close. And there you have it. A single set DOC 200 trap box complete. Lastly, please place your local logo on your trap box. For more information, go to predatorfreenz.org.